Hello everyone, this is Ed, and today I'm going to show you how to get started using Screencastify. Screencastify is a Chrome extension that will allow you to record your screen, or you could use the webcam feature to record a video of yourself, and if you want, you have the capability to do both. The first thing that we need to do is make sure that we're signed into our Google account, and as you can see, I already am, so I'm good to go. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to access Screencastify through a Google search. So in the search box, let's go ahead and type Screencastify. It is all one word, and it is spelled Screencastify. And then we're going to go ahead and hit search. As you can see from our search results, it's the first one that comes up. So let's go ahead and click that. Then we need to click Add to Chrome. Another window is going to pop up, and it's going to ask us the same thing. So we want to hit Add to Chrome again. And then when this box pops up, we want to hit Add Extension. And then finally, another box will pop up, and we're just going to go ahead and click the X in the upper right-hand corner. Since we're just getting started, we want to go ahead and click the little pink icon so we can go ahead and set permissions. First thing we want to do is hit sign in with Google. Then we want to make sure that both boxes are checked off because there's some of the tools that we're going to use, and go ahead and hit next. And then when this box shows up, we have to hit allow. And then there, we're completed. Now we can go ahead and see what the tool actually has to offer. I've set up a blank website so that we can go ahead and explore Screencastify. In order to use the extension, we're just going to go ahead and click on the icon. And when we do that, a box is going to drop down and give us some information. The first thing that you need to be aware of is that you can record for only 5 minutes, unless you want to pay for the upgrade. Then if you look a little further down, you'll see that you're given 3 options. And the features pretty much work the same on all 3 options. The first one is the Browsers tab. That will allow you to screen record only one tab. And if you're anything like me and you have 30 tabs open, this could be a really valuable feature. Next is the desktop, which works identical to the browser tab, but only shows what's on your desktop, and it shows everything on your desktop. So just be aware of that. And finally, the webcam, which is exactly what it says it is. It's just a webcam pointing at you, which could be a great feature if you want to leave a message for your students or something like that. But for this demonstration, let's go ahead and click the browser tab. And then we're going to hit record. Okay, so there you have it. Now we're recording. And you can see that the student can see both the teacher as well as the screen. And I'm sure the first question you have is, how do we go ahead and get rid of that little picture of us? So I'm going to take a look in the bottom left-hand corner. I'm going to see the picture of a video camera, and I'm going to go ahead and click that. So let's go ahead and run through the features. The first one's going to be the mouse. We can go ahead and click on the mouse, and we can choose different things. So when we come onto the screen, it's easier for the students to go ahead and follow along. The next one we're going to see here is the pen option. And the pen option is going to allow us to draw or come over here and mark up our document or help a student with some sort of problem. The next one's going to be the eraser, which we can use to go ahead and erase any work that we had. And then finally the camera, which we just found out turns it off, but we can also go ahead and turn it back on and then turn it back off. And then finally, on the left-hand side, we can see that there's the pause button. If we click the pause button, it's going to stop recording. And then from here, if we hit the stop button right here, this will completely stop our Screencastify recording. So I'm going to go ahead and click that now. Once I hit stop, you'll see that my recording comes up. And the first thing that I can do is look at the bottom, and you can see that I have the ability to trim it. So if I made my video too long or I don't like the beginning of it or something, I can go ahead and I can take the scissors and I can pull it in here, and I can take the scissors here and I can cut off the end because I didn't really like the way I did something either. And then it'll only have the video that is in the pink lines there, and I can go ahead and hit save trim. Now if I do this, your original video will be replaced and you cannot get it back, so make sure that you're very careful about this. So I'm going to go ahead and hit trim. Okay, so now the video is all trimmed and everything like that, and this is where Screencastify, I think, is really going to be the best tool for a lot of teachers to use. I'm going to take a look on the right-hand side of the screen. First thing I'm going to see is Google Drive. As soon as this video is done, it's already saved in your Google Drive, so you don't have to worry about losing it. We already have it. The next thing that I can do is I can get a shareable link to share with the students, Or I think what we're really going to appreciate at our school is have the ability to share to Google Classroom. So as soon as I hit Classroom, all I have to do at this point is select the class that I want to send it to, and it's already uploaded for the students to see. So I'm going to go back now to our video. Some of the other options that we have is publish to YouTube, which if you're a person that runs a YouTube channel, this might be a valuable feature, and embed code. And if I pull down this menu that says download, I'm going to see a couple different features. The one that I always like to use is export as an MP4, and I like to do that just because I save the video, and then if I ever want to refer back to it, that I have it. All right, well, that's the basics of Screencastify. Thank you for watching this tutorial.